What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we've got this nifty little tool here from this company here, and we're gonna go ahead and install it. If you've got an electric car and you've charged, your cord is long enough, you charge it outside of your garage and you might need a place to hang it up. Well, this right here is gonna do the job, and it's gonna be a quick install. 3 screws and we're done. So all I'm gonna do is find a spot that I'd like height-wise where I want to hang it and screw it in, and that's it. Now, because this board's a little thinner, I'm gonna have to get some shorter screws to get this screwed in here. And just like that, it's installed. Nice and easy, and you can even hang your cord if you'd like, right around this loop right here, like so, with any of the excess cord. But this is how simple it is to install this nice little holder for your charger anywhere you'd like. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.